Hey guys, it's Julie here, and today we are making vegan blackberry donuts. Don't get scared by the fact that it's vegan. These are still not good for you, super unhealthy and super delicious. Why did I make them vegan? Because I got friends that are vegan, and I think they deserve to have a little bit of a sweet treat too. And it's a fun new challenge. I love this recipe. It works out really well. It's perfect every time, so let's just jump into it. I've got a cup and a half of regular, all-purpose, unbleached, whatever flour. Then I have got 2 teaspoons of baking powder. That's our rising agent. I have 3/4 of a cup of sugar. And then I've got a little bit of salt. This is about a 1/4 teaspoon, or just like get your claw, get your grabber, take that much salt and put it in. That'll be enough. And I wanted to make them lemon so that they were bright and it meshed really well with the blackberry. So we're gonna use lemon zest. If you use juice, I have found in the past, it interacts with some of the other baking ingredients kind of strangely, and you're not gonna get a really nice cake donut. So we're gonna use just the zest. All right, let's just give that a whisk. Beautiful. Now, because I'm not a huge fan of messying many bowls, we're gonna put the wet ingredients right in here. I know, sacrilegious. Oh my God, Julie, you're such a rebel. I have, I wanna say 3/4 of a cup of milk. Now this can be soy milk, this can be almond milk, this can be coconut milk, although I've never tried coconut milk, so I can't confirm that, but I'm pretty sure any milk alternative will work. 2 tablespoons of unsweetened applesauce. I've got a 1/4 cup of melted coconut oil. And we're gonna get that all mixed. Boom, look at that. Now the last thing I wanna go in with is my berries. The reason I left it to the end is because they've got so much color that they're gonna infuse this whole thing, and I don't necessarily want these to be purple donuts. So I'm gonna add them in now. It's about a cup, and I did roughly chop them. Okay, I'm not gonna stir any more than that. That's perfect. We've got a little bit of purple going throughout our donuts. Now I've got my donut pan here. It's already greased with a little bit of non-stick spray, and I have my oven preheating to 350 degrees. And I'm gonna just get my batter in my donut mold. Really simple. So these are baked donuts. These are not yeasted donuts. So they are gonna cook a little bit differently. They only take about 15 minutes in the oven. Okay, donuts are ready. Pop them in the oven. Okay, I'm back. Our donuts have completely cooled. They look good. I can't wait to dig into them. But before we do, we're gonna glaze them like any good donut should have. We're gonna create a delicious topping. What I did off camera while the donuts were cooking is I took about a 1/4 cup of blackberries along with about a tablespoon or 2 tablespoons of almond milk, put them in a saucepan, cooked them up for about 5 minutes till they got soft, and then put them in a blender. Now I'm left with this gorgeous mixture. I've also got 1½ cups of icing sugar and a little bit of lemon. And to make the glaze, you're gonna take a couple tablespoons of this blackberry mixture. Actually, you know what? Start with 1, just because you don't want it to be too loose. You want it to actually stick to your donut. And then go in with a squeeze of lemon and whisk that all together. Perfect, okay. So if you find it's a little bit too thick or it's not coming together, you can go in with more of that blackberry stuff or a little more lemon. So now we're gonna dip our donuts. Pop it in, let it kind of drain off a little bit, flip it over, get it back on your cooling rack. Great, so repeat that with your remaining donuts, and then I like to leave them for about 10-15 minutes just so they get that nice crispy layer on the top of the glaze, and then they're ready to eat. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoy this recipe, and I hope you get a chance to make it, and I will see you next time.